Under the sun, just you and me, floating on dreams, feeling so free. Soft whispers linger, the world fades away. In this tranquil moment, we'll forever stay. Just close your eyes, let the moment be real. With you by my side, I've got all I need to feel. Me and my Shelly Boo by the pool, relaxing together, it's beautifully cool. Water splashes, laughter rings out. In this love so deep, there's never a doubt. Splash of love and every ripple so sweet. Holding your hand makes my heart skip a beat. The sunset glows, painting the sky bright. With you in my arms, everything feels right. In this paradise where time stands still, if every heartbeat is you, that I am my Shelly Boo by the pool, relaxing together, it's beautifully cool. Me and my Shelly Boo by the pool, new feel cool. Water splashes, laughter rings out. In this love so deep, there's never a doubt. Me and my Shelly Boo, forever you'll be by the poolside, just you and me. Yeah. In the sunlight we find our peace, laughing softly, trouble cease. Together by the water's edge, with you, Shelly, I make my pledge. Just breathe the air, let it flow. In this moment we both know. Me and my Shelly Boo by the pool, water fell, could we play cool? In our paradise, just us two. I love you, Shelly, forever true. Gentle waves whisper our song. In your arms I know where I belong. With every touch our hearts ignite. Shelly Boo, you feel so right. Poolside love, it feels so bright. Holding you close, everything's right. Me and my Shelly Boo by the pool, water fell, could we play it cool? In our paradise, just us two. I love you, Shelly, forever true. By the pool, just you and I. In this love, I'll never say goodbye. Yeah, out of love, it will never say goodbye.
I move that thing too. Here they come. Got this shirt from RV Adventure Explorers. Thank you. Very nice. I think it says that what stays at the campground gets laughed at all year round or something like that. But this is a nice shirt. Thank you very much. Very good quality too. And it fits perfectly. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.